This right here is life changing right here. This is the best chicken sandwich you will ever have in your life. We have a buttermilk fried hot honey chicken sandwich, not just any honey. We are using that truffle hot sauce. Within that sauce, so many flavors. Definitely got to get this a try. Let's get on to the recipe. Let go. So for today's recipe, we're going to be working with 3 boneless and skinless chicken thighs. You most definitely can use chicken breast if that's what you prefer. We're gonna drop some buttermilk over the top, some pickle juice, 1 egg, and your favorite Cajun seasoning, along with some hot sauce. We are using Truff hot sauce for today's recipe, but you could definitely use regular hot sauce, but I do recommend trying this stuff out because it is so good. Okay, trust and believe me, this stuff is gold. It is amazing. Go ahead and drop that in, mix everything up, and once you have that well seasoned up, you're gonna top this with a little bit of saran wrap. You're gonna throw it in your refrigerator for at least, a few hours, preferably overnight, to really let that buttermilk work. But if you're working on the time crunch, you could definitely just let it go for a couple of hours at the very least. And once it is done marinating, we're gonna get some plain all-purpose flour, drop some Cajun seasoning right on in there. We're keeping it nice and simple. We're gonna take that chicken, shake off the excess buttermilk mixture, and drop it right into that flour. We want to make sure that chicken is well coated up, so go ahead and get your hands in there and really pack that flour right on into your chicken, just like so. And you're going to continue this until all your chicken is well coated up. So I got my oil nice and hot. We got the temperature all the way to 350 degrees Fahrenheit, and we are gonna drop that chicken right on in. You're gonna let it go for about, let's say, 5 to 6 minutes, or until it's crispy, golden brown, and beautiful. Make sure you kind of shake it throughout the cooking process, and this is the end result right here. How beautiful is this? Perfectly cooked fried chicken. This is just absolutely amazing right here. Lay it on a wire rack, just let it rest for a second while we work on the rest of the recipe. I'm gonna toast up my buns. We're gonna be working with some beautiful brioche buns. I'm dropping a little bit of butter into my pan, just like so. You want to toast those buns just like so. Make sure they're nice and beautiful. Set it off to the side as we work on that sauce, okay? And for that sauce, we're gonna drop in a little bit of butter into the pan, about 1 tablespoon of butter. Of course, we got to get that hot sauce in. Again, regular hot sauce is okay, but this Truff sauce right here is recommended, okay? Of course, you got to get the honey in there as well. And if you like yours more on the spicier side, you could kind of reduce that honey just a little bit. And once we have this to a little bit of a simmer, we're actually gonna just get our chicken right in that pan and use a spoon to just get that sauce over the top. The reason I'm doing this, I don't want my breading to kind of break up or anything like that. So this is the easiest way for me, just like so. And once you have your chicken nice and coated, it is ready to plate up. So this is my favorite part right here. We got that buttered up, well toasted brioche bun. We got that chicken literally dripping that truffle hot honey sauce. We got some crispy bacon, and I'm just gonna drop a little bit of that hot honey on top of the bacon, and we're just gonna top it off like this, and you are pretty much ready to bust down. You can add anything you want to this sandwich right here, whether you want to add some lettuce, some onions, tomatoes, whatever. You know what I'm saying? But I kept it nice and simple, and it was delicious, out of this world. I'm telling you, this is not sponsored. That Truff hot sauce hits different. Give it a try. Thank you all for watching. I'll see you on the next one. Deuces.